guys, this is your YouTube, the YouTube where you decide. So I've been seeing a lot of videos of people and nature and stuff, and I wanted to show that these birds, I don't think you can see them. I really need to get a new phone, a better phone, but they help me, and I wanted to explain to you all about them and my experiences with the seagulls and stuff. And I know that a lot of you will be like, oh, seagulls, oh, they're greedy, they're this, they're that, right? But no, seriously, hear me out, please. Okay, please, just take the time to hear me out, okay? Right, I know what you're thinking, but hear me out, right? So, left. So, with the seagulls, right, I've literally come down to the cliffs, right? And, yeah, excuse the wig, I don't know. I don't feel comfortable in it, but yeah. It might be because it's new, I don't know, but I don't know. But anyway, no, right, yeah, sorry. This is about them. So I have literally come down it on my worstest times, and they've helped me. They've been there for me. Like, I can be thinking, I want this shot, and then they'll be literally they will do it. So like, I've been down this bit here, down here, and I've literally, I want a shot of or down here. I remember there's one down here of them crossing the water. Look, oh my gosh. Oh, I can't zoom in. Oh no. Oh, you can see them though. I don't even have my thingy selfie stick. So, I know I'm going to get judged for this. It's alright, I'll be waiting for you haters in the comments. It's fine. Or maybe I'll just block you straight away. Who knows? We'll see, yeah? But, see, I'm hoping they're gonna react the same as how they do usually. Or I am embarrassing myself. But I think as well, they might be waiting for that, as well as probably food as well. Oh, there's things right near, but if we go down, yes, all right. Okay, it seems like it might be. Oh, I don't think you can see that. I wish I could change the blooming camera around. This is why sometimes I do my videos on Snapchat, but then it cuts off as well. And it's like, oh, I've got a video that's done that, and it's just like, oh, I don't know, but then it is the video that you lot would want to see. Oh wow. Oh, I can't show you. I wish you lot could see. There is loads all round here. Loads. Oh look. Nah, it's not the proper song, but yeah, they love it. I hope that this is being picked up. Oh, I don't know if it is. There are literally so many. But anyway, yeah, I'm not sure even if I am going to upload this, because it'd be nice to keep this to myself, but yeah, if you're seeing this, then I have uploaded it, and if I have, please, thumbs up. Oh, it's cold. Thumbs down. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, make sure you got all videos not personalised, and I'll see you in the next video. Please keep safe.